तो वहीं बाढ़ से प्रभावित नेपाल की मदद के लिए भारत ने मानवीय सहायता और आपदा राहत सामग्री की दूसरी खेप भेजी है। उत्तर प्रदेश के गाजियाबाद स्थित हिंडन एयरबेस से भारतीय वायुसेना के C-17 ग्लोबमास्टर विमान ने 37.5 टन राहत सामग्री, दवाइयाँ, खाने के पैकेट और NDRF का जरूरी सामान लेकर काठमांडू के उड़ान भरी है। विमान के कमांडर कैप्टन एल नायक ने बताया कि उड़ान में करीब 1 घंटे 15 मिनट लगने की उम्मीद है। जरूरत पड़ने पर विमान के लिए वैकल्पिक एयरबेस की व्यवस्था भी की जाएगी। भारत बाढ़ की इस मुश्किल घड़ी में नेपाल को लगातार मानवीय सहायता पहुंचा रहा है।
So basically, yesterday we received the mission for the Nepal HADR, and in the night we received the NDRF load and the medical supplies. And overnight we did the palletizing, and the loading is being commenced right now. Planning departure of around 09000930 from here to Nepal. Will take around 1 hour 15 minutes to reach to Nepal. We are carrying approximately 35 to 40 tonnage of load, and it includes tentages, medical relief load, and dignity kit and other supplies, essential supplies for Nepal. Basically, abhi the weather en route is marginal, and overhead Nepal there's slight low clouds and weather slightly high, and obviously the civil traffic and everything. So we are catering for adequate fuel so that in case we do not get a landing in our first go, we'll be able to hold for 1 hour 30 minutes. But in case a delay is uncertain and getting prolonged, we have adequate diversion inside India. We have earmarked 2 bases where we can divert, refuel, and again proceed to Nepal whenever they clear us. Basically, the relief aid, like the aircraft capability is 70 tons, but we have to look out the turnaround time at the destination, because there will be multiple flights, civil traffic, and other aids from other countries may be there. So we carry that amount of load that it can be handled by the Nepal Kathmandu airport, and not to overburden them with maximum load. So the aircraft is capable of 70 tons, but we are carrying 40 tons, so that the turnaround of the aircraft is within after landing 3 से 4 घंटे में we can turn around and vacate Kathmandu.